Hi, I'm Dee Dee Anderson of the Anderson Alteration Academy. Today's video specializes on how to get a flutter sleeve out of a train. This girl didn't have lace and she wanted a beautiful flutter sleeve on her wedding dress, and so I farmed it off of her train. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. All right, here's the dress I'm working on today. Look at this lace. This is amazing lace. Look at that, and it's very soft. The bride was saying, "Oh, I love how soft the lace feels." It's amazing. It's a very classic style. And at any rate, what she needed a hem. Then she wanted a flutter sleeve. And so because there isn't enough fabric, I'm going to have to farm it out of the hem, which, since we're hemming it anyway, it's just going to have a sweep train instead of a regular. Okay, let me show you over here. Here's the original sleeve, and then I've taken the other one and made my pattern off of it so that the arm's eye still fits in nicely, nice and smooth for a flutter sleeve. Then I opened it up, spread it out, and made a new pattern out of it that I laid on the back train as close to the edge as I could. And here's what I cut out. 2 flutter sleeves. Now the flutter sleeve that she showed me was on the chiffon, super drapey. This has a lot of body, and I told her that it's not going to be quite as drapey. And so I didn't make it as full as the chiffon one, because otherwise it might just stick out like a circus tent or something. I'm not sure, but I felt like that was best. Okay, here's the sleeve all done. Flutter sleeves. Let me show you up close. Can you see? Cute little flutter. She wanted a 2.5-inch cap under sleeve. We gave that, just took that off of the original sleeve and shortened it up, and then added this flutter sleeve that we took off of the train. Super cute look. I think it looks fun with the skirt. I think it's just a really, really fun dress. I hope she likes it. That was my day for today. Love, love, love that lace. So cool. Bye for now. Here is the lovely sleeve changed out. The flutter sleeve. I love the belt. I love the dress. And we ended up with a sweep train because we had to farm it. There it is. So we still got a little bit of train left on that. Gorgeous sleeve. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, click like, and be sure to subscribe to my channel to learn more about bridal alterations.